Hi, my name's Christina, and welcome to Chrissy's Corner. In today's episode, we're going to be planting some cauliflower and red onion. Fun facts about cauliflower. Cauliflower is actually a flower that hasn't fully developed yet. It is full of vitamin C and K, and is very, very good for your skin. Here are some fun facts about red onion. There are 3 different types of onions: red, white, and yellow. When you slice an onion, the cells release a compound into the air. This is what makes your eyes water. Now, let's go plant them. Alrighty guys, we're at the patches and I have my friend Clumsy to help to watch me. We have roughly 4 little things of cauliflower, so I'm going to put them in all 4 corners and I'm going to put the spring onion all around. So we're just going to start squeezing it out, and yep. Alrighty guys, now that we're at the end, we're going to put our little tags in saying what they are: our cauliflower and our onion. And now it's time to water them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.